After 10:30, a buy call generated green color candle open. Daily basis in live market, it will generate calls like a signal. Today, it's a November 24, Friday market. After 10:33, we have received this call. Buy at 43,669. First target is more than a 100-point target. Second target is more than a 200-point target. Those above lines are first target, second target, green color lines. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily in live market, it will analyze the market movement through the 1-minute candle, and whenever a breakout happen in the market movement, it will immediately generate calls like a signal. Likewise, today a upper side breakout happened, so buy call generator green color candle open. The call came at 43,669. First target is 778. Let's wait and see how it work in live market. In 10 candle, in 10 minute of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target range and continuous bullish momentum. During this time, it break out the 43,800 range also. It's more than a 120-point momentum in the bullish call. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.